of me. Anyways, today I'm gonna put a text because sometimes my voice is muffled and you will not know what I'm saying. So I'm just gonna start the video now. So now when you're done, remember the dance. So I remember it. And leave the game and then go back to your real avatar. Your avatar has to be saved or else you have to do your avatar all over again, and that is gonna take a lot of time, so yeah. And then also you have to remember the spot, but mine is like a very weird spot. Like I don't know if I can remember it. So yeah. Also, if you want to have like those rotating screen like Roblox edits you see on YouTube, you can I think it was here. Yeah. Was it here? I think it is. You have to rotate your screen while you're doing the edit. So yeah. Also the Roblox edit thing, it didn't. My first Roblox edit tutorial wasn't really that. It doesn't have a lot of flair. It looks really boring. So for this one, you can add, because I didn't add transitions or any effects on there. So yeah, that's why. It just looks really lame, but I have very good edits out, so let's just start. Anyways, when you're done, you can leave the game. Also, you can use a high quality by going to the Roblox thing over here. If you're using computer, click escape. If you're using let's see, phone or iPad, any mobile device, you can click the Roblox icon there, and then click on settings, click on make the graphics mode manual, and then set it all the way up in the graphics quality. So now we're gonna go to CapCut and then edit it. So now we are on CapCut. I'm gonna click on new project. So put the videos you just screen recorded, obviously. And then add this clip. I was in the wrong place. I mean, it doesn't really matter if you're in the wrong place. You can have a Roblox edit where you change different places. So I don't know, it depends. So you can do that if you want, because it'll also look really cool. What is it? Okay, so I'm gonna put the size to this. It doesn't really matter what size is it, as long. Anyways, I'm just gonna crop some things so that it looks really cool. So now, when you do that, it'll start to look like this. And also, if there's a specific pose where you want to split it, example, when it does this, you can split it and then do the same pose like that. Yeah. So now you can add your audio. So I'm gonna just mute the audio right now because I might get copyrighted again. Wait. got some audio. Now it's gonna look like this. Like split it at the part where you like want it to be split at, so that it look really nice. Just trust me. I don't even know what to do anymore. Also check my brother's video so that you'll know why my brother's new video. It's called Why My Sis Hasn't Been Uploading for 2 days. If you see that, it will show the reason eventually, like almost at the end of the video. It looks like this now. And now I'm gonna go ahead and just cut it. Okay, so cut the music where you want it to be. Okay, now it will look like this. Yeah, basically. Also, if you want to know what music I'm using for the edit, the music is called I'm Levitating. So yeah, because if you want the same music as, because for some people they don't have like the music in the description, and you're like, and you don't like, and you like don't know what music it is. So that's why I'm telling you that, because some people don't tell it. Anyways, so now you're gonna go ahead, go to effects, go to comic, and then go to B and W sketch. Also B and W means black and white. So yeah, that's what B and W means. And then go to blur, so let's do a normal blur, not any other blur, like the closed blur. Yeah, don't use that. Only the blur. And then export it. Okay. And then after it's exporting, click the arrow. Not done. Click the arrow. And then delete it. And then go to overlay. And then add a video. And then make sure it fits right in the screen. Like this. And also set the volume to 0 so it won't sound robotic. Because if you don't, it will sound literally robotic. Anyways, go to splice. If you do burn, it will look like this. It looks really weird. So I'm gonna use what looks fine. Like slide. Maybe you wanna like that. I don't know. I'm just gonna add it to 98, I guess. Honestly, that kind of looks weird. And now we're gonna move on to the shadow part. Now, you need to add the videos. You need to add the videos like this, like the original videos, the main videos, like the one you're doing the edit on. So, anyways, wait, I can't see. I literally can't. Stop. I can't see what it's doing. Okay, so the spin part. Like this. I think it was there. And then you have to edit all over again if you didn't save. If you didn't save this thing. But it's more easier if you save it. But I mean, it's okay if you didn't save it. it doesn't really matter. Because if it's okay if you don't save it. So now I'm gonna do this. And then cut it out like that. And then, yeah, basically. So now I'll do it like this. Make it like this. Do it as the same size like the main video. And then when you do like this, the square thing, then click free, and then do like this. So now, fit it with like this. And then, like, fit it with the other video. And then you have to, like, crop the feet also. So that'll look like a shadow. And then, same with the other one. All the other ones. Okay. I thought I lost it for a sec. And then we're gonna, where is it? Oh no. You can also use this thingy so that you know what it will look like. Oh my gosh, it looks so weird. Anyways, rotate it like this. Put it at the feet. Honestly, this is gonna look so weird. Oh my gosh, what am I doing? And then mirror it so it can be the same thing like the main video. And then go to opacity, and then set the opacity whatever you want. For me, I'm gonna do 50. And then same with the other video. Like, set the opacity to the same as you did with the other video. And then when you're done, you can, oh my gosh, that looks so strange. And then mirror it, do the same thing as you did with the other one. If you click apply, you can click apply to all because there's no button that says that. So you just have to do it yourself. So now it will look like this. I recommend you do the shadow. You do that on a plain spot because that looks so weird. Because it's gonna look so weird. I'm not saying you have to, but if you want to have like a clean shadow, you can do that. So yeah. So now, I'm gonna show you the result.
Now and never, baby, nothing's ever too far. Glitter in the sky, glitter in our eyes, shining just the way we are. I feel like we're forever every time we get together, but whatever, let's get lost on Mars. You want me, I want you, baby, my sugar boo. I'm levitating, the Milky Way, we're renegading. Yeah. I got you.
You say you love me, I say you crazy. We're nothing more than friends. You're not my lover, more like a brother. I know you since we were like 10. Yeah, don't mess it up, talking at ears. Only gonna push me away, that's it. When you say you love me, that